Okay, hi guys, welcome back to the course. Alright, in this lecture, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how to create an invoice as well as a business proposal for your clients. Okay, why is it important to create a professional invoice? It's because your clients need to know that you're actually very professional in what you do. Okay, and you'll make them feel that more confident in what you're doing. Alright, so I'm just going to go scroll down. Okay. Okay, so basically, right, if you guys don't know what this is actually Microsoft Word, all right, Microsoft Word. Okay, so what we're gonna do right now, right, is that we're gonna find an online template. Okay, so let's say if you want to do a invoice for a client, right, you should type invoice. Okay, you're searching. All right, so as you can see down here, there are actually many different type of templates that you can use from. All right, so I'm just gonna pick a random one. Okay, let's say I'll pick something like I'll just pick this. All right, so you can actually create a template. Okay. 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 So this is basically your template. All right. Your invoice number you can actually key down here. All right, and your address you can actually type it. All right. Let's say example like block 25 New York Street. Okay. Recipient you can type etc. Markers. All right. The instructions. Build a website for him. Okay. Quantity you can type just one. Let's say e-commerce website. All right. Unit price let's say 299 USD. Okay. And total 299 USD. All right. So you just need to key in your sales tax and everything. All right. Maybe let's say 7%. Shipping and handling dash and maybe total. You just do the math. All right. I'll just put a random number. It's 350 USD. All right. So okay. So this is basically what it is. All right. You fill in your company details down here and you replace this part with your logo. Okay. So it's actually more or less done here. All right. So I'm gonna show you another thing. All right. So I'm gonna click File New. Okay. So right now we're gonna do a business proposal for a client. Okay. Okay, searching. Alright, so you can actually see down here there are actually a few templates down here. I'll just pick one. Alright, I'll just pick this because it looks pretty nice. Create. Alright, so you can say for let's just put a random company name. Okay, Clothes Inc. For Clothes Inc. Alright, it's just a random name. Okay. So you write Clothes Inc. Okay, and you just fill up all these details down here. Alright, so you can actually write your marketing plan down here. Okay, your heading or whichever one, and you can write their website. Alright, so this is basically how you actually get a invoice and also a business proposal done for your clients. Okay, so I'm gonna end on this lecture. Alright, thank you guys.